Go on.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi, this is Satyendra, and I'm from New Delhi, and I have around 8 years of experience into recruitment and a business analyst, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to learn automation so that I can just switch to automation.
Okay, great. So since you're into recruitment, getting and you know how to find jobs easily.
Yeah, totally.
Great. Hmm.
Hi,
Other?
this is Sindhu. Yeah, hi, this is Sindhu. Totally, I have experience of 13 years in automation, Selenium, lead, but not
Mm-hmm.
to API testing. I would like that. I'm Hyderabad.
Great.
Hi, good morning, team.
Yeah.
My name is I have 12 years of experience. So I have come on functional manager and also as an mobile automation engineer along with testing. So I would like to learn automation, so that's my this one.
Okay, great.
So I'm
Okay. One more and we'll get started. One day.
Hello, good morning. I'm from New Delhi. I research in QA. I am eager to learn the new API testing.
Okay. Let's write under the first question. What means not asking the automation. The automation testing. Can anyone tell?
Manual work can be automated.
Not other people.
Effort and about 100% you are getting, but at least and efforts might be the automation.
Repeat test for managed we can automation regressions.
Mm-hmm.
First, which means we are doing the developer adding and then we can integrate with CDD if everything is not fine. So the research automation is coming in the DevOps application.
So we got like saving time, same efforts, saving execution times, and testing is short. Correct. So what is the life of a market versus a vendor who includes automation and does testing better but required? How what from the then market 2 years only a manual tester. Tester was put in the what will be there? Yeah. What will be the testing life cycle? Let's see. Can you answer?
For manual testing in UI, we can check manually that there are applications working, but it will depend efforts also. So when the this happens on tomorrow, so testing by today itself is so for the automation when we it's a keywords will be ready, so we can in 1 minute or 2 minutes we can execution, and if it is expected or not, we can testing that.
Yeah. Well,
So, efforts we need to check like apart from stuff, we need to do the performance as well. So in the area, so we turn on the aspect to do the right part. If I'm doing everything, we need to
correct. One more point. Something. So others. Are you there?
Yeah, so it is to also to early test.
Okay, so that's the thing. All your analysis. So if you include if it's fire and if it's robust, if you make a automation framework, it will do the work for you whenever you're sleeping or whenever you're going for a tea, coffee, or you want to go for a long break, sort of and sit and see the solution. I mean, that's one way of doing smart work. Also, end-to-end testing that is required in the current market. See, as the same quite like to do performance testing. Now, every test is gaining every single year where manual and automation is sufficient. Now, every kind of testing is important, and everyone should do all kinds of things. That's the thing now. We are not restricted to the only automation or manual testing as a thing to ensure that are working properly or not. No advantages of automation testing: reliability. They perform that they are thereby eliminating. So if I ask you to say like make payments for thousand pounds, make payment for this particular account for 1,000 times, it will precisely perform the same operation each and every time as they run, eliminating human error, enabling the capability to test how the software reacts under repeated execution. Like the same scenario, like if I make 1,000 payments to the application, how the software is reacting. Does it when I'm making continuous executions, does it break down? Does it do something? Comprehensiveness provides the ability to build a suite of tests that covers each and every feature of your application. So, I guess like we are here for a more coverage, more testing. So this automation testing covers each. We are here as automation as a QA engineer. As an automation engineer, our role is to automate automate majority of the features, not majority of cases, majority of the features which covers like use cases for that particular feature. With this, we can enhance our coverage. Reusability. So tomorrow I'm back. I'm changing a back folder to check everything is working fine on our compatibility or something like that. So anything can be run on different applications like in QA, in dev, in other environments. So everything is ability to program sophisticated information from the scenario. Like I did for my, also this scenario that when I was trying, it was logging in. Not I realized because there's the animation, some problem with the animation. What is the animation? The SF is so it has taken 15 seconds. Now I inform the same thing to the dev team. The animation is taking seconds. So what happened actually there in that situation? What happened was like the network call routing had an issue. With that, it has impacted performance on the application. So animation had led to found some big network issue. So the TCP layer, they have modified protocols to the network calls are going properly. So with that change, the application behaves speed has increased by 50%. So the example I can say, like it brings the information from the mobile, like in our checkout page, it's taking around 15-20 seconds to navigate event page. When we checked out our service that is unnecessarily going into the so that information we can get it program fast, automation faster than process. So you know, like the flash, when we hop off and come back, sometimes you will see that you finish execution of 10 tests. Cost reduction, result of better quality software, ability to move tests in less time with reduced team size. This is something that attracts any company or something like this point. Better ability to move tests in less time with reduced team size. This is what is an every project. Got it? Yeah. So more test case in less time with reduced team size. What is the output here? That means cost. Profit. Clear? Is clear, guys? All good?
Yeah.
Any questions or how important it is in the
I have a question, Rahul.
Yeah.
So, when we take some scenario, so basically my question is that I would like to know is there some good quality and quantity from the side into the automation. Something
like there's no any test, but when we go through test automation on the PR decision is feasible for automation. Not the will settle automation leaks and understand we can be the automation testing in the on front and all things. So during plan time only make a decision.
Okay, but if for example there are some scenario you can support more compared to the automation.
Yeah, we would we want to check in US. So when we wanted to just something, we check this manually because Apple Pay 5% work in India, Dubai, and we will see to do many things. Certain areas, like if you ask me, like, I want to check for the product which is not, not something because this is not.
No.
I'm saying that at least automate the repetitive tasks like systems which we automated that use time. We as a in the current to do common system, low testing, we have all roots and corners. Time is well.
I have a question. So, I've seen this related. So,
now I'm discussing during the plan. So speed. Well, as I was requires only executing all endpoints of automation. Effective. I have similar like I've built a for one of now another product. I just script from the scratch. Rework on the picture and then frameworks. Coverage. So get a number of costs along with a period of time. If you automate a number of complex as part of QA, then you manage team, create more scenarios, more excellent, find more issues, more greater pressure, lower as 9 tests. I ask you to test for 2 times, can ask you to do for the 10th time, you will have the other assumption that is going. So avoid the things we not satisfaction. So this is very important. In my company at nightly, I cannot sit today and test my smoke. So once the framework which it runs the smoke suit after that is completed, and check that everything is fine on. I not ask myself sit every day night and execute it.
But I have been regarding automating 100% or regarding the capture, right?
Not with application.
Okay.
Capture is one of the nice which was not made it. Automate also the people have to the management to surplus. I had no automating that. OCR automating the capture. What happened? Same automated type of automated the capture. It has the things and automated capture. What happened? Company has one. For the automated capture, but very issue. It depends on the take a decision. In my experience, I was from the people that what's Not maybe say that read the SOW because then which they say automate. If you automate, bots can access that.
I think they are not automating 100%.
Okay, validation.
Okay.
Or in UX practice with some third party on that, right? So that's lost. Automate is better. That's it. So the number that is general, that is like if you will regular, it will take 160 minutes in a general. My session is evident of suit whether looking for all this. Automation every regression of 1,000 tests. Automation is like here partial regression, not partial regression 250 tests. Will have parts to execute a partial regression to whereas with 10 hours. Something person. These are we into the test automation. This is for the field. First thing, automate. Don't hit them. Second only. Is not possible. Even now, if I say 100%, don't believe me. 100% automation is never possible. Of course, with the AI, achieve that isn't automation, but automation not possible. Fourth thing, beware of automation engineers who don't understand the testing, like what is sprint, what is life cycle, what is a self management, what is agile model, basic test or just sort of mean. So it's also a development process. We have to do those things. So is it very important?
Yes.
So you have to keep that one in your head.
I have a question. Who design function discussions in
all the there are ways of I'll give it to this whether it's a decision of which can be okay for enough really a decision. Or else it's the manual there's a machine you which can let that will now most of the companies the city only the same person will manual automation. They also now, but to this, why I do automation? The initial phases of the not much the like direct, so they handle a lot of go like things. People will say everything fine. Whereas automation will take this number of years, but if 3 years, like during some people used to say like final testing point, you need automation and which 2 years now there's no big demands for migrate automation. Now it's what. So let's go please. For any Selenium, like for it is programming language, to like what language a good efficient and we will start to have functions for conditional which I use for neutral relations. We will bread and butter any kind of code you do. Developer should have great knowledge on selection from data which has three images. Then so super on the face top super and so we will have data lambda okay. But these days you will go for now this information so the somebody said try last string and you go to the copying the putting into the object buffer. Okay. And have a detail and the try purpose people cache handling docking and document connecting classes. We'll see. Exception I'll you one thing that is a wild card after the word. These usually perfect. They'll ask you questions on it.
So in the help that first time we go send on in the weeks of the
so it takes so like to purpose
so okay, so finish all the code Java and then okay, so that's plan.
Just explain core Java without gonna take it out. First completed, then we will because options and use the mind. Yep. So the expectation of line with you and not a and then actually not much time not is that. Yep. Any respect to
Just have mentioned in the constant
attraction is generated.
Constituencies of the
concept in this. Attraction of polymorphism is part of polymorph part of this. Yeah, we have part of that, right? Yeah, but so the concept over they're not asking how the Need Java is never around 50. It's cost better strategy is something any reduces an accuracy and reducing its purpose. Then what portion to any what are the different many players
Population of this
I question
So my question was from we have like how much time it will reach a
What are the tools that will do Jenkins, Pashman, and what are the tools that will do Jenkins, Then any other then then use as an activity what are topics also different like near what are those apart from mentioned basket testing what the how do you sell how do you sell
Okay. So the question is that I do not come to is data usually 10 days per example. So that is yeah, that's it.